Bunnies Craft.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Bunnies Craft. Today we have a vegan treat box. We haven't had one of these in absolutely ages, but today we finally have another one. Firstly, I must apologise for my awful voice. I've had a bit of a cold for the past few days, so please just bear with me. So, this is the vegan treat box. As you can see, it's got a new beautiful and stunning design. It goes all array around the box. Just says a bit about what's inside as well. You can see they've got the original Vegan Town Fairy as well here. So without further ado, let's just open it and see what's inside of it. So we have a leaflet. It goes with their new design as well. Just a little bit of information, again, what's inside it and whatnot as well. So yes, the first product in this box is this Clarana shock balls, and I am never good at these words, okay? So these are basically vegan Smarties, which you literally cannot get anywhere. I've had these before. I don't know if we've had a box with them before, but yes, they are divine, they are amazing, and they literally taste 100% like real Smarties. So yeah, we have this. The next thing in our box is a Kendall mint cake. Okay, I've never had one of these before. It says white. I'm guessing it's a white chocolate mint cake from Wilson's, and it's also English. Good. That's what we like to hear. Yes, there's a bit of information just here. I don't know if you can read that. Just there. That looks really nice. Again, I'm not keen on white chocolate, but I'm wondering if I like this because it's mint, and I absolutely love mint. So yeah, we have this Wilson's Kendall mint cake. The next thing we have in our box, again from Fantastic Foods. We've had this brand before, I believe. This is the Confiseri something or other. It looks like a white chocolate with some fruity bits in. Well, it's quite luxurious. Cornflakes, okay. Vegan almond bar based on cocoa butter with cornflakes and strawberries. Okay, that looks quite nice. Again, it's white chocolate, so we will see if I like it. But that really does look quite interesting. So yeah. Next thing we have is vegan Christmas nuts. Okay, interesting. Zotter, we've had this brand before, and I remember it's a very smooth, fine chocolate, and it's quite an amazing thing and product. There's noble bitter chocolate filled with hazelnut nougat and hazelnut brittle. Okay, interesting. That looks really nice. So it's a dark chocolate, as you can see, and I'm guessing the bits are inside. So yeah, we have that, a Zotter vegan Christmas nut. Next we have this Vivani. We've had this before, but we've not had the mandel orange. This is a rice chocolate, and they have bits in. So this is an organic rice drink, couverture chocolate with chopped almonds and granulated orange. Okay, that looks quite nice. I'm kind of dying to try them because I do love this brand. It's again smooth chocolate and really good quality. The next thing we have is this. This looks really intriguing. Pernigotti. Okay. Why is it all foreign? It's definitely interesting, don't get me wrong. Kind of reminds me of a Toblerone. If only. Come on. Let's see what it actually is. It's quite solid. It's literally a whole thick piece of chocolate. What does it say? Nut chocolate. Okay, so maybe it's just a flavoured chocolate, but it's literally solid. That looks very interesting. I've not ever seen that before. So yeah, we have this chocolate brand here. Next one we have is Mini Moose. This is quite common in supermarkets and places that you'd probably regularly go. Very good chocolate, smooth, creamy, and cheap, and easily accessible, this one. They do other flavours as well, such as mint, orange, and a honeycomb, and they also do bigger bars. So this is the Mini Moose chocolate. Next one we have is the Bionella. We've had this before again. It's just a vegan style of a Nutella or chocolate spread, and it's very delicious. Just shame there's not that much in there because I could eat it all at once. So yeah, we got that one again. Next we have a little mini chocolate mint. I love chocolate mint, so I will definitely enjoy this, no doubt. It says the ingredients there. It's from the Wowell brand. Let's get all this hair out the way. So we have this one, the Buccaneer. This brand, they kind of do an imitation of the Snickers, the Mars bar, the Milky Way, and they do a pretty good job at it. I've had a few of them, I can't remember which ones I've had, but they are amazing, they really are. And so I do definitely recommend this brand if you have turned vegan and miss your Snickers or Mars bar, because that will definitely do the trick. So this is the Buccaneer. Lastly, in our box we just have some little bits here that are also vegan. So this is our selection from our box of December from Vegan Town. That didn't make sense, but let's go with it. This is what we've had, and we've had some new brands in here as well. This one just looks amazing. The packaging is gold, it just looks luxurious. This one looks very interesting, and I love the design on the packet as well. I'm really impressed, again, always impressed with the Vegan Town boxes. They never fail to disappoint, and they are just always finding amazing vegan treats for me and for you. If you have not checked out this website, I will link the description. No, I will link their website down below for you to check out, because I 100% recommend, and you will not be disappointed with what you get. So thank you Vegan Town again for these amazing subscription box, but it's not over there. Bonus box! Okay, so I have a second vegan treat box. Okay guys, I have been keeping a little secret. I have had a few of these boxes before, and when I got back from France, so the past few months I have had a few boxes, I do have to admit, but I am finally getting back into the swing of things. I have been very busy, I've been moving house, I've been getting new jobs, it's been insane. So for the new year we will be doing a lot more things with you. So again, we have this little leaflet as I've shown you before. So the first thing in the box, we have a candy cane. I am pretty sure I got this last year before I left for France, because I remember having one of these with me. So this is a natural vanilla handmade candy cane. I don't really know what the brand is, it doesn't actually say, but just in time for Christmas I can hang that on my Christmas tree. So yeah, we have a candy cane. Next thing is a vegan hero. This is from Fantastic Foods again. It is a white almond candy bar. And yes, I did have one of these a month ago. It was very white chocolatey and I just gave it to my partner. I wasn't a fan, if I'm honest, but if you do like white chocolate and almonds, then of course it would be for you. But again, it's quite a solid crumbly chocolate. It's not as smooth as some of the others, but some people prefer that. So this is the Vegan Hero bar. Again, we have a bio now. I'm not going to go into any more detail, but we have another one of them. The next thing we have is this. This is new. I have not seen this before. This is a chocolabri something or other. Milk chocolate alternative. A Sanders and Reynolds. Reindeers, not rain nuts. So it is basically solid chocolate, but again, just in time for Christmas. It's Christmas themed. So cute. I love it. I can't wait to eat them. I'm so in the festive mood right now, so thank you. This is keeping me happy. The next thing we have is this Rocky Road. Okay, I'm definitely even more happy. This is adorable. I love the pink packaging. It is from Mumbly Mags. I don't really know what it says, but it is vegan and gluten free, yet impossibly indulgent. Okay, we will see about that, but I'm sure it will be. Crunchy, velvety, and gooey, not dusty, chalky, and chewy. I like this. This is really fun. I kind of want to eat it now, but I won't. I'm going to save myself. There's a bit of a description here. Who is Mommy Megs? Born in 1948. She is a no-nonsense vegan treat trailblazer who has dedicated her life to handcrafting impossibly indulgent snacks. That is adorable. I love it. And it's pink, so it makes it 10 times better. I'm really looking forward to trying this. Next we have the Fudgy Bites Sea Salted Covered Fudgy Bites. I love this brand. It's just so simple, so sweet, and it's just brilliant. You can find these in some places, but not common places really. But yeah, if you haven't tried it and you like fudge, then yeah, I would recommend it. The next thing looks insanely amazing. Camille Blotch Churino Mousse. That looks incredible. It looks like a truffle chocolate almost. Or it could be like an aero bar. You know, the little bubbly bits inside. It could be like that. Right, let's open it. Let's see what's in it. Just in a foil wrapper. And yeah, you can see just little squares, little bubbles of chocolate, and the mousse will be inside. That looks really nice. I can't wait to try that. So yeah, that is the Trino mousse. Next thing we have again from this brand, which did the Snickers, the Mars bar Milky Way thing. And this looks like it's the Mars bar caramel fluffy chocolate nougat and a chocolatey coating. So that might well be the Mars bar. So yeah, I'm not going to say too much on that again. Again, Vivani crispy cornflakes. As you know by now, it's my favourite. again another mint chocolate, and we have the eye choc. We've had this before. Have we had the cookie one? I cannot remember. Please help me out here. But again, smooth rice chocolate, delicious, recommended. And again, we just have the little tiny bits in here. So this is what we have in our bonus box. This again is incredible. This looks amazing. Never had that before. Never had this before. And again, not had that one. But even the original ones that we've had a few times, such as the eye choc and the twilight bars, and this one, they're still amazing. They don't ever get old, and they're just delicious. They really are. And as you can see, a great selection again. And I really cannot recommend enough this company. Please look at their website down below. It's not sponsored, promoted in any way. I just love this brand. I buy it all myself, and it's just me showing you what you can get for a good amount of money, and is a good way to explore new vegan treats, especially if you're not used to it yet. So it's an easy way to get into it. I'm going to leave it as that for now. So I thank you so much for watching my video. I apologise, it's been so long since the last Vegan Town review, but as I said, busy year. Really busy year. But I thank you guys for watching. I thank you Vegan Town for keeping it pretty awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!